Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. You will also need your new headlight bulbs, whether they are high-intensity discharge or halogen. Always ensure your Acura TL is parked on a flat, stable surface with the engine fully off before beginning any work. Safety first. Now, open your hood and find the two 10mm bolts that hold the headlight in place. Next, carefully remove the plastic clips securing the bumper cover near the headlight assembly. With these clips out, you can gently pull the bumper cover away, creating just enough room to access and remove the headlight. With the headlight assembly accessible, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Carefully insert your new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it is securely locked. Finally, reattach the electrical connector to ensure proper power supply. To finish, gently push the bumper cover back into place and reattach all the plastic clips. Secure the headlight assembly using the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Close the hood, then turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it is working perfectly. If both headlights need changing, simply repeat these steps for the other side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.